All right, rolling.
Yes.
Rolling. All right, hi everyone, welcome on board. This is going to be really special. Today we're doing a homecoming series number 1 with our students of SC Michadi. Hi guys, what's up? How you doing?
Hello, sir.
Cheers. Great. We're going to have a lot of fun today. आज हम इनकी लाइफ के बारे में बात करेंगे. स्नैप कैसे क्रैक किया, कैट में इनका पर्सनल क्या था, और इनके SC Michadi के अंदर क्या क्या चल रहा है. Are these guys having fun? Are you guys having fun?
Yes, a lot of fun.
Yeah. This guy looks like having fun. बाकी मुझे पता है. You are second year ना?
Yes, sir.
Second में मस्ती शुरू हो जाती है. You first year. अभी तो summer internships and all going on. Yeah, I'm going to ask them some tough questions today, and we'll give you insider from SC Michadi as well. Great, welcome guys back again. Let's go. We got Tushar here, we got Rajvi Doshi, we got इसका नाम मृत्विका.
Yeah,
Mritika, and W is silent, I'm going to remember, and we got Agniva here. बहुत ही बढ़िया. What was your snap? नहीं, cat percentile.
So cat पसंद याद तो नहीं मुझे अभी.
हाँ, अभी याद थोड़ी रहेगा.
Exactly. 2 साल हो गए अभी cat को. But the thing is that मेरा LR थोड़ा सा बच गया था very frank में. Yeah.
Okay.
I got a 99 in quants, I had a 95 in verbal, but then the section cutoff thing came in. So Snap was like my savior.
Oh, okay.
So for me, I had an overall percentile of 91
In cat.
in CAT, but मेरा कॉन्स ठुक गया था. VA ने
I
बचाया.
like that word. ठुक गया था. हाँ.
Exactly. Your terminology. And VA ने बचाया मुझे 96 percentile था, so that kind of brought up my overall percentile.
Lovely. Great. How about you?
हाँ मेरा 95.87 percentile था and मेरा तो logical reasoning section was like the first question came and I was like what is this?
LRDA last year, right? 2023.
Yes,
Yeah, I
first
can.
half.
Slot 2, 1.
Slot 1 I could only do one question I remember.
Okay, great.
I scored 96.84 percentile. All of my sections were clear, but I was very focused on Snap itself क्योंकि मेरे को मतलब HR करना था तो I'm here right now.
HR करना था. Oh, you doing HR at SC Michadi. Great. ये भी मुझे question है यार, ये SC Michadi का HR, is it only HR school or you got other things as well?
Not really. We have a lot of specs. We have sales and marketing. We have an MBA in business analytics. We have IDM, which is infrastructure development and management. And we have MBA in finance as well.
Okay.
So obviously we are one of the best B schools in the country for HR. But that does not go to say कि we don't offer.
ये सब लोग बोलते हैं we are the best. SIBM वाले आएंगे वो बोलेंगे we are the best. Excel वाले बोलते हैं we are the, of course. But that's like, you know, people ask me this question, sir, why you always talk so high about SPJ in Bombay? How do you compare SPJ versus Excel? I'm saying it's my school, bro.
Exactly.
It's my school. So that kind of relationship you have with your school for sure. Lovely, yaar, great. And what is the Snap percentile? That's really important.
Mine was 99.25.
क्या बात है? How about you?
Mine was 99.26.
9.26.
99.02.
9.02.
And number 2.
यार ये तो तुम पर्सपेक्टिव गलत सेट कर रहे हो, तो सिर्फ 99 परसेंटाइल पे भी SC Michadi मिलेगा.
आ सकते हैं. The cutoff is high. Yes, of course. I'm not demotivating you. But ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ 99 वाले हैं.
कट ऑफ कितनी थी पिछली बार एग्जैक्ट, इफ यू रिमेंबर?
Cutoffs तो ये नहीं होता, outing नहीं होता सर. We don't get that data. So
मेरे पास डेटा होता है वैसे वो.
तो आप सर से हमको तो पता है कितना है.
हाँ. But 98 percentile is going to be safe score to get SC Michadi call.
Yes.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Call पक्का आएगा?
Again, depend करता है.
I'd say a little above 98.
Above 98?
Yes, a little above 98.
Happened कि कुछ लोग लास्ट 98 पे भी उनको नहीं आया था कॉल.
Is it? क्यों?
I have a friend of mine who didn't get a call from SC Michadi having 98 percentile.
तुम मोटिवेट करने हैं और डिमोटिवेट करने हैं, मुझे पहले डिसाइड कर लो तुम. हाँ. सारे 99% क्या हुआ? टीचर कौन थे तुम्हारे? कहाँ कैसे पढ़ाई करी तुमने? But we know each other from
5 years back.
pre-COVID days in during अंधेरी में. This is इसको देखिए अलग ही वाइब आती है. So when they were coming here, I called. क्या है? नाम इसका THUSH. तुषार तक ठीक है. TH क्या होता है भाई?
साउथ इंडियन सर
साउथ इंडियन
आता है।
में
एच आता है मेरे भी नाम में जब मैं सुमित लिखता हूँ ना व्हेन आई वाज इन बैंगलोर TH से मैं TH नहीं है भाई nevertheless great lovely so you were a student full time with Catky how about you took some mocks or were you an online student
entire Snap online course.
oh Snap online course lovely great
I took the Snap and Nmat Turbo course.
Turbo course which had offline online verbal Wednesdays online वाला कर था बहुत ही बढ़िया
I have separately taken up the CAT mock test series as well as Snap mock test.
were they helpful
Yes, definitely.
पक्का were they helpful
A lot. I will say that I cracked Snap just because of these mocks.
that's great
Yeah, same for me. I mean, इतना percentile आया it's all because of those mocks.
क्या बात है I'm glad हाँ भाई तू तो इसको तो मारूंगा पकड़े बोल तारीफ कर
तो सिर्फ बबल वाले जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे वो तो मॉक्स रियली हेल्पफुल है फॉर स्नैप इट्स अ मॉक बेस्ड स्ट्रेटजी
नहीं इट्स जस्ट एंड अगर स्नैप के मॉक नहीं दिए तो तुमने क्या ही किया यार 1 घंटे का मॉक है मतलब वो तो जो हम कैट के लिए सेक्शन टेस्ट देते हैं उसके इट्स इक्वल टू दैट यार जस्ट 20 मिनट्स मोर
And Cat King के सारे ही mocks, Snap के mocks were amazing. उसमें से भी कुछ particular mocks थे out of those 20 exactly Snap level थे. Like when I was giving the exam, I was like यार ये तो एकदम replicate कर रहा है जो मैंने mocks दिए थे Cat King के.
true that every year we announce some of the mocks
The dashboard that you have for the analytics की मतलब कहाँ पे क्या performance हुआ था that is something that was very important and very helpful actually.
And very apt as well. Like exact Snap में जितने marks थे जितना percentile आता था it was.
it was on similar lines that's great so now we've improvised our dashboard अभी तो thanks to technology अभी तो और बढ़िया हो गया but yeah every year we give some mocks like these are must do mocks इस बार तुम्हें भी दिखाएंगे एक बार देखना bless the mocks a little bit which one you think are the best yeah बबली को बता दें थोड़ी चीटिंग तो कराओ इनको होम कमिंग हो रहा है we want more people to crack you know SC Bichadi दो and sit inside बहुत ही बढ़िया यार ठीक है बढ़िया यार बढ़िया चलो let's talk about your journey so you gave CAT एक बार 2 बार
और मैंने तो 2 बार दिया था
तूने 2 बार CAT दिया
then I went off to work for a couple of years and then मैंने सोचा चलो MBA करना है
okay
and then Snap prep शुरू कर दिया
Okay.
again I took your mocks in later पहले तो आपके साथ मैंने full time course किया था that was 2019 back in 2019 then I went off and joined TCS I worked a couple of years there and then of course it was not enough growth for me.
बड़ा हो गया तू वैसे मुझे इसकी वो छोटी वाली शक्ल याद आ रही है
बाल तो वही लंबे थे
हाँ बाल तो तेरे क्रेजी थे आई रिमेम्बर स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड दैट अंधेरी ऑफिस एंड चैटिंग इट आउट
the one with the stairs and
ओह या गुड यार हाउ अबाउट यू
सर मैंने 2020 में पहला अटेम्प्ट दिया था बट इट वाज अ टोटली सेल्फ मैंने खुद से पढ़ाई करके किया था बट द प्रॉब्लम वाज कि मुझे कोविड हो गया ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम सो आई वाज लाइक चलो लेट्स लीव दिस सो आई वेंट ऑन टू वर्क फॉर लाइक 14 to 17 मंथ्स एंड देन फिर लास्ट ईयर मैंने फिर से दिया कैट और स्नैप दोनों ही
ओके
सो आपके यूट्यूब चैनल से तो आई बीन कनेक्टेड सिंस कोविड जब मैंने अपना पहला अटेम्प्ट दिया ना 2020 तभी से यू नो इट्स लाइक I have this connection with you.
That's so sweet. COVID was the time when there was nothing to do.
Exactly.
I used to do 2 YouTube lives पता है एक सुबह और एक शाम को तो वेले करना क्या है अभी घर बैठे हैं भाई ऑफिस है नहीं बॉम्बे ट्रैफिक है नहीं घर बैठे हैं चलाओ गुड हाउ अबाउट यू एक अटेम्प्ट 2 अटेम्प्ट
The first attempt.
अरे होशियार बच्चा है पहली बार में गुड सो पहली बार में भी कैट क्रैक हो सकता है ऐसा नहीं है ना यू पुश योरसेल्फ हार्ड एंड यू से लाइक कैट स्नैप एंड मैट इस बार मुझे कहाँ तक जाना है राइट सम पीपल गिव सिम्बोसिस एंड देन टेक अ with due respect but a little bit lower college SIMC they're good schools ऐसा नहीं है and then they decide मुझे यही करना है right some people say like नहीं I want to get to the top and then do it again so you got this in first attempt
Yes.
were you fresher
No, I was working.
okay
Actually, I quit my job back in August because I was very confident, like I'll score good in CAT. I was preparing thoroughly with my work. So then, yeah, the CAT results came out. I was not as happy as like I expected. Then I took your courses. I prepared day in, day out.
बहुत मेहनत किया
Yes.
पूरा वो डैशबोर्ड चार्ट मारा था
Yes, absolutely. Like even the day before the first attempt of Snap, I remember giving 3 mocks.
ओह वाह
Yes, and that was with that level of.
अभी ना डेटा होता है मैं चेक कर लूंगा मैं झूठ बोलेगी तो हाँ
Yes, sir, you can.
वाओ ग्रेट हाउ अबाउट यू फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट सेकंड अटेम्प्ट
First answer, but my relationship with Cat King began actually the year 2020 because my brother was the one who gave Cat first.
अच्छा
And he used to follow the Cat King channel and everything. And I really wanted a lot of information about MBA कैसे होता है क्या नहीं होता है क्या प्रोफाइल चाहिए होता है. And I used to watch your videos और वहाँ से मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिला धीरे धीरे कि मतलब मैं भी MBA करूँगा ये करूँगा वो करूँगा. And so yeah, I sat for the exam in the year 2023 और दोनों CAT और SNAP दोनों मैंने पहली बार दिया था और
डन ये दोनों पहली बार वाले हैं दोनों दूसरे
मैंने भी पहली बार ही दिया लास्ट ईयर
अच्छा स्नैप पहली बार था ओह स्नैप है तो स्नैप पहली बार में भी निकल सकता है स्नैप यार चलो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट स्नैप यार ये स्नैप इजी एग्जाम है मैंने एक वीडियो किया था स्नैप इजी एग्जाम है अब हम इंडियन बच्चे हैं जिसका तो अब हमने कर लिया, मैंने भी स्नैप क्रैक करे, तुम लोगों ने कर लिया, जेन्युइनली ईजी है यार, इससे ईजी नहीं कुछ हो सकता मुझे लगता है, राइट? बट आई नो यू गाइस से स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली एंड इनका अलग
I mean, in fact, अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे.
क्या?
Student friendly exam, not an easy.
मैंने परसों ही
Time
दी है.
management भी killer, sir. It's
Correct.
अभी 60 minutes of 60 questions.
Okay, let me ask you this question. माना स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली, मुझे वर्ड समझ नहीं आता है भाई, ठीक? क्या व्हाट इज व्हाट हाउ एग्जाम कैन बी स्टूडेंट?
That's a PR line.
That's a PR. What is student friendly?
Easy, but it's on time management.
दैट वाली बोलते हैं, इट्स अ मैनेजेबल एग्जाम. ये तुम्हारा हो गया है भाई, तो सीधी बात. माई डेफिनेशन ऑफ इजी इज यू कंपेयर विद अदर पीयर्स, राइट? अदर तुम्हारे पीयर्स क्या हैं? कैट से इजी हो तुम,
Yes.
Yes.
जैट से इजी हो,
Maybe. Maybe not.
In consideration to the level of difficulty of the questions, maybe yes.
बस उसकी बात हो रही है. नॉट गेटिंग इन
Question difficulty.
level of difficulty.
Yes, yes.
This is the easy part of the paper. What's the difficult part of the paper? 60,000 लोग, 70,000 लोग giving a relatively easier exam is a difficult part of it.
Yes.
Exactly.
So every easy exam has its own challenges.
Yes.
If it's easy, it's easy for everybody.
इस बार कैट थोड़ा easy आया.
Exactly.
धुएं निकल के लोगों के अब तो कट ऑफ ज्यादा जाएगी. शिट, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? मैं बोल, जब मुश्किल आया था तुम्हारे टाइम पे, पीपल आर लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, मुश्किल आया, अब क्या होगा? स्लॉट 3 मर गए, लूट के.
मैं slot 3 वाला
तो
था.
ये देखो, तो you know that, right? Like you know that quant भी उसका टफ था, LR भी. तो अभी तो जिस दिन पेपर मुश्किल आता है तो उस दिन रोना होता है, बाद में सुख रहता है जिसका ठीक ठाक कुछ क्वेश्चन. जिसका इजी आता है उस दिन खुशी होती है, और इजी आया मैं तो करके आऊँ, फिर दुख बाद में होता है.
Bit of shift.
तो एज कम्पेयर टू दैट स्नैप इज डूएबल, राइट? ये तो मानना पड़ेगा. इट्स LOD level 1. It's your those things that are asked which are taught you in like day 1, day 2, day 5 of your coaching classes, right? Those blood relations, those arrangements. This is not like nth level पे जो तुम्हें पढ़ाया था, you know, hardcore trigonometry, या जो हम नहीं करते हैं, Euler's theorem, remainder theorem तो ठीक है, HCF, LCM तक ठीक है, but those things are not asked. Yeah. Where you to combine 3 concepts together and get to an answer. That's the definition of easy for Snap. That's what I feel. You may agree or disagree. You have all 99.22, 99.02, 9.26, 9.25 percentiles. सब होशियार लोग हो, मतलब do you agree?
Yes, question तो है.
नहीं, the first part. The first part की doable है.
Yeah, it's doable. But the thing is, उस time पे वो click होना, वो 1 minute में. Right? If you compare the level of difficulty question by question, yes, it's way easier than some of our other exams. But then again, you have just 1 minute. If you're wasting even 1.5 minutes, you're taking time off your other questions. So it's, again, as I said a couple of times, it's about time management. Super.
I think the main thing in the SNAP exam is the attention to detail, because you get 1 minute per question and roughly. And so even if you miss out a small detail in a question, that can make your entire exam go wrong. And also when it comes to calculations, you need to be very, very particular and you have to recheck it every time. So that is when your presence of mind and your attention to detail come into play.
And I feel like all these things that he just spoke about do come when you are giving a lot of mocks and practicing way too much.
And shifting gears after CAT, right? Exactly. Whatever you're doing there is totally different what you're doing here, right? Like for example, CAT is now asking games and tournaments, scheduling problems, you know, those things are not at all here. This is again your, I would say, again, I'm not demeaning there, but it's like solved example of your books. Yeah, we give you ebooks, etc. It's like solved example. Yeah, CAT Bibles, right? Snap Bibles, Snap Maximizer, जो भी है. It's like solved example of that. पर वहाँ पे solve होना वो भी तो.
Yeah, it actually all boils down to how you strategize your attempts. मतलब it's very essential कि you kind of identify where your strengths and weaknesses lie, and then फिर उसको optimize करना. And in that 1 minute which you get for one question, तो वो थोड़ा pressure build up.
Build up तो होता है. Great. How many attempts did you guys give for Snap?
I gave all 3.
All three. Good. अब ये वीडियो पहले करना चाहिए था. अब जिन लोगों ने 2 दिए हुए हैं वो बोलेंगे भाई क्या हो गया.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. It's not like.
But do you have people in the class who've given 1 attempt?
Definitely. 1 attempt वाले 2 attempt.
कितने परसेंटेज हो गए? बॉल पार्क बताओ. अगर 100 बच्चा है, कितना बैच साइज कितना हो गया अभी? सब बैचेस मिला के?
Around 240 to 60.
सब मिला के?
180 is for the core, 90 for BS, so
Yeah,
that's
60
270 plus, it's 330.
330. तो 330 में से सिंगल अटेम्प्ट वाले कितने लोग होंगे? बॉल पार्क.
I can say that half the students have given all 3 attempts.
Yeah.
And बाकी half में you can just divide it into
One, two, yes.
Yeah.
In 2 attempts is more compared to giving just 1 attempt.
Yeah, 1 attempt वाले कम है.
बहुत कम है.
Okay. And 3 वाले 50% है.
Definitely. Most of the people give all 3 attempts.
Okay, 50% this and then maybe 30% to 2 attempts and then maybe 20%. Yeah, roughly. Okay, good. So तुम लोग अभी तो चलो attempt जा चुके हैं, but 3 या 2 तो मैंने बहुत बोला इनको. यार देखो एक और चीज़, why Snap is easy और student friendly जो तुम्हारा कैंपेन चल रहा है, is like एक ही एग्जाम के 3 अटेम्प्ट मिल रहे हैं. LOD level 1. पेपर सेटर बोल रहा है आज बेटा तुम बीमार हो गए, एक हफ्ते बाद दोबारा आ जाओ, आज प्रेशर आ गया, एक हफ्ते बाद दोबारा आ जाओ, and I'll not do an average of your 3 performance, right? It's not like कोहली गोइंग एंड हिटिंग 3 सेंचुरी मारनी तो मैं सम करूंगा, वो बोलता है भाई तू आज मार ले, कभी तो मार, पर मार पक्का, right? So which makes it more student friendly or easy or doable for the students as well, right? I, being honest, I called SNAP and NMAT both preparation based examinations. You can prepare, you can crack it. There is intelligence required of performance on that particular day. And what CAT used to be before, your 10th and 12th के marks, 10th and 12th का level को थोड़ा सा घुमा के and with that speed, because now you've grown up, now you're not in 8th standard, right? So which makes it more student friendly. Does it make sense? Yeah. Okay, lovely. चलो थोड़ी SC MHRD की बातें करते हैं. How's the school? क्या तू HR पढ़ने के लिए आया है यहाँ पे? तो HR के लिए नंबर 2 माना जाता है after Excel Rai. तुम नंबर 1 ही बोलोगे हमारा, है ना? So, but how's the school? I mean, is it good?
It's great, sir.
Don't tell me your ranking. तुम्हारा AACSB पुणे में only ये school वो school. मुझे पता है वो बहुत बढ़िया है.
Tell you something completely different. Rankings obviously है, ये तो आपको पता ही होगा, सर बताते होंगे. But it's a very student-driven campus, and this is not something that is not talked about a lot. So we have 14 clubs and committees on campus, and when I say student-driven, हर चीज college का student body.
मैं काम करना पड़ेगा कॉलेज में आके, यहाँ पे वो चपड़ासी एडमिन स्टाफ वगैरह नहीं है.
Exactly.
In short.
You're doing everything.
तो उसमें फायदा क्या है ब्रो? उसमें तो नुकसान है.
We like I'm from the admissions team, right? We completely carry out the complete PR of the college and the admissions process. So this is something that mostly our college में it's carried out by the admin staff, right? It's carried out by job ने बोला चपरासी or whatever, right? So you are the one who's designing. You're the one who's responsible for
administration. What do you use? You know.
Administration, of course. So you started it, sir. So of course you get that exposure basically before you get into work. For example, अभी सारे तो work वाले होते नहीं हैं जो बात है, right? There are freshers as well. So you get to experience that first hand. Try to do work, and you be the one responsible for conducting a process from end to end. So that helps. And that's something that you will get.
And you learn a lot.
Yeah, you get only after getting to the college. अभी बाहर तो लोग बोलते नहीं कि ये सब है. Rankings तो obviously सब बोलते हैं. But yeah, this is something.
Student friendly, great. Why SC MHRD? Why should I join SC?
Sir, the curriculum at SCMHRD is very rigorous. Matlab, we are very academically driven, very academically enhanced as well. And we offer programs in like 3 different domains. Like we've got our flagship MBA program. Plus we've got also an MBA in business analytics, which is actually today's demand. And then we've also got IDM, which is an infrastructure development and management.
वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया प्रोग्राम. IDM क्या सीन है? Anybody can talk more about it?
So infrastructure development and management is mainly about managing huge projects. For example, जब भी बड़ा flyover बनता है, let's say for example, there are a lot of nuances that go into it. For example, contracts बनते हैं, कहाँ से material आएगा, कहाँ से ये आएगा, कहाँ से वो आएगा. You have to optimize the process as well. So it is kind of a mix between how to manage your finances for that particular project, the legalities involved in it, as well as the supply chain and operations management of the entire project.
Yeah.
So it is a culmination of all the different things that you need in a huge infrastructure project.
Is it not civil engineering job?
It is not civil engineering because it does not get into the technicalities of things. It is the management side of it. How you
Management
manage
of
that
all the
particular
major
project.
like turnkey projects.
Yeah.
So you get subjects like tender bidding, contracting, roads and highways, financial management. So it's a mix of.
So the management side of the
Yes.
okay, and people who come and join the course, are they civil engineers or are they like mechanical core?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
So our eligibility criteria is that you need to have a bachelor's in engineering, BTech, bachelor's in architecture, or a bachelor's in planning. And if you are not from any of these degrees, you need to have a minimum of 1 year of work experience in an infrastructure related field. It can be in the NHS sector, it can be anything, but it has to be related to the infrastructure field.
Understood.
Yeah.
It's a good course overall. People are happy.
Exactly.
Oh, great.
And analytics, of course, and I'm a big fan. I just tell people, तुम्हारा analytics किसका? तेरा ना? तुम core.
We're also.
Good. ये core मतलब जहाँ marketing, finance, HR करना है तो core लो. It's a standard. Okay. And IDM is the new thing. Okay, great. How's analytics?
It's going great. So it's the newest course. Yes.
क्या मुबारक हो यार.
Yes, sir. So it's like obviously there's a
कहाँ लगी बताना allowed है?
summer internship बताना allowed है. Yeah, I summer interned at Indus Valley Partners.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's a course. It's the newest course that SCMHRD has brought out. It's been 7 years, and it's now competing on par with the core course, which is more than 30 years old. So that's like it goes to say more than
Good. Lovely. So SCMHRD, क्यों join करूँ यार? So yeah, we're talking about the alumni, correct? Senior, junior part. क्या scene है bro? Our senior junior is connected. Of course, I can see a second year sitting with the first years. How is it?
So I think our college is one of the most conducive senior junior connections that you can have at a B school. Right from the moment we enter our college, we are assigned mentors, right? And these mentors are people who will sit with us the entire night. I personally remember when I needed to make my CV, and I'm a fresher, right? So I did not have a CV made already, and I did not know what points to put in. And there was a day where we needed to make a CV, and we needed to submit it the next morning, okay? And I had absolutely no idea about how to do it. I remember my mentor sat with me for at least 5 to 6 hours that night, and we finished at 4 a.m. in the morning, and he was still there by the time I was finished. Okay, and it's not like he was just there. He was helping with every single point. He was helping me refine it. He was helping me frame it in a way such that it would look nice. So I think it has got one of the best senior junior cultures that a B school could possibly have.
Yes. In SCMHRD, like as we've mentioned, like we have this culture, this mentor-mentee thing. So every junior is assigned one senior mentor, and that person will look after like the growth and everything of this
Do
mentee.
you generally spend time? I'm sure like 80% of people do, 20% though. Chilled out.
Yes,
Yeah.
they do. Like both profession, how they are excelling and what they are doing in terms of academics, and also personally if they're having any issues. So
What if I want to go beyond my mentors? Like I want to go to Doshi, but Doshi is busy, so I'll go to Tushar. Yeah, I can.
definitely.
Don't need to get married, right? I would go to Doshi only.
No.
You can approach anybody, and the best part is they don't just help you with your CV or like polishing your resume, but they actually go way beyond that. Like academically, if you've got any problems or if you want their help in choosing an elective, they'll share their own experience, their own opinion.
But I can go out of my assigned mentor.
Yes. अभी भी LinkedIn खोल के दिखा दो इन सबके text
क्या LinkedIn
Last week.
last week text हो गए.
Yes.
अच्छा.
Dance पूछते रहते थे.
I texted him a lot.
Tons of texts.
We can approach
Like
anybody.
from almost half the batch.
Yes.
And it's not just the seniors who are accessible, it's also the faculty staff as well as the director and the deputy director. If you face any kind of problems, you can approach them at any point of time. It's not like you have to go through a proper system and then go and then talk to them. If you feel like you want to talk to them, if you feel like you have some issues, you can go there anytime you want.
And you have a faculty mentor as well.
Yeah.
So like 15 students will be assigned one faculty mentor.
Yes.
Okay.
And ये monthly meeting भी होता है. They review how you're doing.
Yes. I'm sure on ground 100% efficacy नहीं होती होगी, 80%
But it
efficacy
definitely
होती
works
होगी.
out.
But it's a plan is there.
Yeah.
है ना?
SCMHRD is what we can call is, like it's like a family, a big family. Even the alumni who've passed out years before from our college, even they visit us. Like in our induction, like when we came into the college, we had this induction. Mr. Nikhil Dwivedi, who is currently an actor, he's very famous. Like he was in that Scam 1992. He was an actor there. He also has his own production house, and he came there, and he's like just someone who's friends with us. He was sitting and chatting with us in that induction program.
A few weeks ago, Vikas Srinaha, the founder of Happylo, I think Happylo is the sponsor of RCB in
Yes.
IPL. So we had an event in our college, and he also came to our college, and he came for the event. But then he spent some time talking to the people in our batch as well. So that is the kind of thing, like the alums, they come and they interact with our batch so much that it's very good to see such a conducive environment there.
And so that happening on the very first day. The induction is the thing that happens the very
Yes.
first, right? So मैं आके बैठा था and it was Vikas Dinar coming in walking. I was like, oh my god.
There's also
Like,
guest Shark on Shark Tank.
You know, it's
Yeah.
like, okay, that is something where I can be in a few years, and that's a very good motivating factor. जब तुम आओगे शुरुआत में पहले दिन पे, तो मतलब, okay, this is someone who's passed from the same college. He's learned the same things that I'm going to learn.
I'm gonna learn, right.
So what is stopping me from being there?
In fact, a lot of alums are also our visiting faculty. So
Yeah, that is
in the HR specialization, for a couple of subjects, we've actually got past alums who've passed out like 20, 25 years back, coming into our college and teaching us. So that is something that really connects us.
And even like people who are currently in positions like CHOs, CFO, they also who are alums of our college, they also come as guest
Yeah,
faculty.
one name I can remember is Mr. Yashwardhan Goenka.
Yes.
He's the VP at HSBC Bank. He comes and teaches us finance in our class.
The CSO of GSK Pharmaceuticals, Chinmay Sharma,
Yes.
sir, he also comes to our college and takes classes.
Yeah.
And the thing is that it's not about the classes, it's the way they connect with us when they come in for
Yes.
like leadership or something
ये
like
सब
that.
छोड़ो, मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं कॉलेज में?
Yeah, like it's definitely.
और पुणे में ठंड में मस्त है तो the weather is amazing.
Any parting thoughts to all our listeners? You guys are amazing, and all the best for your second year. All the best for future life. कहाँ जॉब कहाँ कंपनी का नाम नहीं, जगह कहाँ है? फिर तो आता रहता है. अरे क्या बात है. That's the good part of being in Bombay. So after jobs, either people in Bombay, Delhi or Bangalore, right? तो फिल्म वाले mostly Bombay में होते हैं, कई HR वाले भी होते हैं. बहुत ही बढ़िया यार, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Any parting thoughts, Tushar, to the upcoming batch of
अभी
your
मैं बस
juniors?
yes. तो अभी तुम्हारे पास अगर एक से ज्यादा अटेम्प्ट है स्नैप के और पहला अटेम्प्ट खराब चले गया डोंट वरी, इट डजंट मीन कि पहला अटेम्प्ट तुम्हारा खराब गया तो सेकंड भी खराब होगा. लर्न फ्रॉम माय मिस्टेक्स. 10 दिन और है, यू हैव 1 वीक, राइट? वो एक वीक में यू कैन चेंज द स्टोरी. मेरा स्नैप का जो पहला अटेम्प्ट था, इट वाज रियली पुअर. लाइक आई डिडंट इवन स्कोर 90% in my first attempt. Don't lose heart. Keep stay strong, prep करो, mocks दो. And एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, लास्ट 2 दिन में एग्जाम के पहले mocks मत देना. Just revise, थोड़ा ऊपर से देख लो, leave your head at ease and just go and जाके पेपर जाके फाड़ दो. बस ज्यादा लास्ट 2 दिन में पेपर के पहले स्ट्रेस मत करना. That's one thing.
आगे जाना हो जाएगा.
I think for all the aspirants, when you start giving mocks, you all will definitely score low. But वो धीरे धीरे वो जो growth trajectory है, it's gonna rise up. So don't get dejected by your low scores in the beginning. And another thing is that, like Tushar just mentioned, do not study in the last 1 or 2 days. Keep a formula diary. That's very important, where you note down all the formula, and you can just brush up through those formulas in the last couple of days, and go with a very chill mindset. वो हो ही जाएगा. You've prepared well, हो जाएगा.
Like I'm a live example of what she just mentioned. I myself didn't score even 90% in any one mock of mine, but I did get a 99%. So
फाइन भी कमी है तुम्हारे वैसे.
सर 99 तो पार कर
बेड़ा पार हो गया.
This is a 99 percentile club.
Sitting inside the school, got a job, खत्म भाई अब तो.
So do not get motivated by your mock scores right now. And as both of them mentioned, I also didn't study any. I didn't even revise anything for the last 2 days because I was so anxious. I watched movies and I just chilled.
But yeah, that's great.
So with the last 10 days remaining, I think it does not make sense to keep on studying right now. Whenever you're taking mock test, even now there will come a time wherein you will take a mock and you will score really low, okay? And it might not be true that the previous mock you would score lower. अच्छा जा रहा था फिर अचानक से गिर जाएगा. Now it is very important to stay motivated in that point of time, because if you lose motivation in the middle of these 10 days, your preparation is essentially finished, right? And so at that point of time, you have to imagine yourself in a B school next year कि हाँ मैं ऐसे करूँगा, मैं वैसे करूँगा. That is how you stay motivated. And like all of them mentioned, last 2 दिन पढ़ाई मत करो, मॉक टेस्ट मत दो, just keep a cheat sheet and just look at the formulas and just keep revising.
एक आध मॉक डिफिकल्ट आता है बीच में. ऐसा नहीं जरूरी है कि तुम्हारा ग्रोथ ट्रैजेक्टरी हो रहा है, बट सडनली एक में स्कोर डिप हुआ, दैट डजंट मीन यू आर डूइंग बैड. इट कुड बी अ हार्ड मॉक.
और कभी-कभी हो जाता है कि मतलब दिमाग काम नहीं करता है, खराब हो गया, हो जाता है कभी-कभी. That does not reflect on the preparation that you've done for the entire year.
So now reset, yeah. Now guys, reset, yeah. It's not CAT and Snap is other science. These guys are able to make it because these guys, what I can hear by is like again my CAT preparation, how much I did for my CAT, you resetted it. और पहला मॉक देख रहे हो, दूसरा मॉक दे रहे हो, अपना एक्सेल में तुम ट्रैकर बना रहे हो, स्नैप के लिए भी, राइट?
Right, of course.
Yeah, and अगर 99% लेना है तो, और ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है being honest, 99 और 97 में. 2 क्वेश्चन, 3 क्वेश्चन.
And questions, yeah.
I should not be saying it, but a random smart guess of 2 questions as well.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
But एक smart guess mark करने के लिए भी तुम्हारी जो मेहनत लगी हुई है, रात को 1 बजे तुमने पढ़ाई करी थी, that's going to come in helpful. And fluke मारते हैं लोग, मैं भी मारता हूँ 2 क्वेश्चन तो हम मारते हैं, but it takes a lot of efforts to come to that level.
Smart guesses.
This is so amazing, yaar. Boys and girls, I always recommend few of the mocks. Mock number 3, 10, 17 and 19 are really good. पर तुम्हें मैं काम देने वाला हूँ आज homecoming में, काम करो एक. बढ़िया, तो तुम्हें ये तीनों मॉक दिए जाएंगे. वैसे तुम्हारे सीनियर्स ने बनाया, so go and SCB वालों ने, not SABM. So I'll send this to you, but solve SABM वालों ने करे हैं. तो just bless these mocks, check it out. Any feedback you guys have got, तो हमें 2 साल की और learning मिल जाएगी. तूने last year CAT दिया, snap दिया, तूने last year snap दिया, and you've been a part of the family. Yeah, that's going to be your give back to us.
Yes, definitely.
Great. All right, boys and girls, thanks for joining in. Do it on the like button और थोड़ा manifest करो. Life on this side of these yellow sheets is really amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
Earlier you were sitting on that side, giving the mock, using the dashboard, and now you guys are here. It's lovely, isn't it? And once you're inside the B school, you're gonna forget all these things. ये क्या snap, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं था. ये तो कुछ भी नहीं था. तो अभी जितने दिन रह गए तुम्हारे एग्जाम को फाड़ दो जरा बैठ के और मैनिफेस्ट करो कि एक इंटरव्यू कॉल आएगा. फिर तुम्हें दोबारा बुला सकते हैं इंटरव्यू क्रैक करवाने के लिए भी. तुम बस इंटरव्यू कॉल लेके आओ, आगे हम देखते हैं. ठीक है भाई, डन है बहुत. व्हिच मींस 99% प्लस. ऑल द बेस्ट बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स. डू इट लाइक बटन. मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए कि भाई आपके दिमाग में क्या कंफ्यूजन आ रही है स्नैप को लेके, मॉक्स को लेके, स्नैप एग्जाम में क्या दिक्कत है और कैसा चल रही है तुम्हारी तैयारी. स्नैप 1 दिया, 2 दिया, 3 दिया, अपने स्कोर्स टाइप करिए. अच्छा गया, बुरा गया, विल डिस्कस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.